Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to register GMC account. Start by gathering your business email, website URL, and verified contact details so you can move quickly through setup. Next, prepare a clear return policy, shipping information, and product identifiers like GTIN. Finally, confirm that your site meets policy requirements and check for any disallowed content before you submit your store for review. Sign into Google and head to the GMC sign-up page to begin creating your merchant profile. Carefully enter your legal business name, website URL, and contact email to ensure verification goes smoothly. Follow the on-screen prompts to add shipping, tax, and return details, and upload a clear business logo so shoppers recognize your brand. Double-check entries before submitting to avoid delays from common mistakes. If you run into verification errors, take a deep breath and methodically verify your HTML tag or Search Console settings, then retry after clearing cache. Keep product data consistent and compliant by using correct GTIN, concise titles, and high-quality images to reduce rejection risks. Finally, monitor GMC notifications and the Diagnostics tab regularly so you can address policy flags fast and keep your listings live for buyers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.